To optimize AWS Amplify MFA setup, start by understanding the basics of multi-factor authentication and its importance in securing your application. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to their phone or a biometric scan, in addition to their password. First, set up AWS Amplify in your project by installing the Amplify CLI and configuring it with your AWS account. Then, create an authentication module using Amplify Auth, which provides a predefined set of UI components and authentication flows, including MFA. Next, configure MFA settings in the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito dashboard, select your user pool, and go to the MFA settings page. Here, you can choose the MFA method you want to use, such as SMS or Authenticator app. To enable MFA for your users, you need to modify your authentication flow. Use the Amplify Auth API to send a verification code to the user's phone or generate a QR code for Authenticator app setup. Then, verify the code or QR code scan to complete the MFA setup. Best practices for optimizing AWS Amplify MFA setup include using a secure connection for MFA codes, such as HTTPS, and implementing a retry limit for MFA code entry to prevent brute force attacks. Additionally, provide clear instructions to your users on how to set up and use MFA, and offer support for common issues, such as lost or stolen devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your AWS Amplify MFA setup and provide an additional layer of security for your application and users. This will help protect against unauthorized access and ensure the integrity of your application and data.